We have three approaches or three levels of looking at any enterprise information, any enterprise management accounting, financial accounting, and this is at three levels. Broadly, they are at a strategic level, at a tactical level, and at an operational level. So, at the strategic level is usually take decisions probably taken at the top management, shareholder, board level. So everything that happens at that level is linked to a strategy, which keeps a SWOT in mind, the strengths and weaknesses internal to the organization and the opportunities and threats from external to the organization. So that forms the strategic layer. It's primarily linked to planning and forecasting and looking ahead and making sure that the organization is moving in the right direction. So that's the strategic planning layer. The middle layer is a decision making layer, what we would call tactical or the central middle management layer, where you're looking ahead but not too far ahead, perhaps making sure that the quarterly targets are met, monthly, weekly, daily supervisory tasks are done. It's primarily a management supervisory function, could also become a part of the tactical. Supervisors take a decision on which uh, tasks to execute first, which production lines are important in tandem with the top management and the operational level. The operational level in any organization is the ones where everything gets done, whether you're manufacturing, whether you're in logistics, depending on the type of business, it's the ops. It's where everything gets done, the execution or the delivery. So most of the people are at that level, and it could be top heavy with too many people at higher levels, or you could be bottom heavy. There has to be an equal distribution. A good model to look at would also be the services, the Air Force, Army, Navy, command structures, functions, middle level, commanders, commandants in battalions, heads of units as being the middle tactical, and the operational are the soldiers, foot soldiers. It could be anything, aircraft, ships, deployment, and then there's the top line strategy. So a lot of this warfare, competitive action, being superior to a competitor, winning, a lot of this has to have to do with a hierarchy like this. So your information systems or IT or information and communications technology, ICT, has to reflect this. And the space view could be something even higher at a higher level that combines these three. It's not just looking at one layer or one slice of the pyramid. You have to be able to look at multiple slices of the pyramid depending on where you are. So we have this concept of space. We have a separate menu for this in clextra where you can look at your organization, compare your organization with other organizations, for example, using a Hoover's metrics or a Dun and Bradstreet metrics, ratios, follow a two-horse theory. You can use a Boston Consulting Matrix portfolio assortment, uh, retail assortment. You could look at your slice and dice your organization in various ways by thinking of a space view of your organization apart from operational day-to-day automation of your processes